So we pick up fixing this RT-1157 by Sharp we have the mech removed. Now I need to remove the back plate to get to the capstan roller and be able to pull it out and things like that. So we're going to do that in this episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Would love to hear from you. So here we go. Okay, we're going to start by clipping. We need to free up these wires. Otherwise, this thing is not moving. Let's see if I can get this without clipping the wire. Man, oh man. That is, ow, that is one tight. There we go. Man, woo. Okay, so that's that. And this gives us a little ability. I think I might get this one too. Oh boy, that is tight, tight, tight. Yeah, let's see. Wire ties are really cool because they allow you to bundle up things that are, you know, but it all falls apart until you need to get in and do something, and then you've got to remove them, and they become a pain. So necessary, but then it's like, oy vey. There. Alright, so this is free to move out of the way. And then we're gonna, I think it's 2 screws, well, at least it's 2 screws. That's a long one. Come on. Oh, I'll tell you, man, they might have said it before. They must have had the Hulk working in there doing some of these screws. Wow. The thing is, you don't want to strip it. Let's see if I can stand up. Oh boy. All right, I'm going to try something else. Okay, so I was able to get that screw out by using a drill. I don't recommend it, but you have to put it on the lightest setting and get yourself a lot of downward pressure and gently try to back that out. If you don't, you'll strip it, and again, trouble. So, but that worked. Oh, for gosh sakes here. We are having a time. Actually, let's try it different. Boy. Okay, same problem. Man, oh man, put Loctite on or something. The thing is, you can't. I suppose I could try it one more time. All right, let me see what I can do. Okay, so I maneuvered it around so we could look at it. Oh They changed this, but I won't say it's for the better. Because to get the thing off, you have to, oh man, you have to remove this. So I thought it was better engineered, but it just got more complicated. So, all right. You got a spring. I don't like undoing these because I'm afraid. Well, no. I don't want them to disappear. So you got that one. Huh, what is that one for? Oh wait, there's something that happens with that. Okay. Well, I think I can get it out by being a contortionist here. Let's see about pulling out every wire. Okay, boy, everything was put in here with So this piece has to come off. Maybe. Anyway, we'll, oh yeah, we will. Okay, we'll tackle that next. Okay, I've got a 90-degree screwdriver here helping me get into these tight places. Nice little purchase, about 10 bucks with a bunch of different heads for it. It's like a ratchet screwdriver. And it's really helpful in these tight areas. Okay. See if we can bring this up out of the way. Of course not. Okay. Trying to see if I could take it off. No, there's a block there. Okay, well played, engineers. Have to talk to these guys. Okay, so I'm gonna have to take find a small flat blade. And pull this piece off. There it goes. If you slip the screwdriver in, there's a little, like a hole, or a, you don't want to lose it, so put it down somewhere. So now this hole hopefully will pop out. Little screw. So I took a picture of that earlier. Hopefully it was good enough one. Okay, so we're at the point now where we might be able to get the capstan off. Let's go ahead and pull that off. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, but again, while I'm here, it has good movement too, which is good. Now, we're going to pull this out, and we have to remember the rubber grommet thingy, and there is three washers to be careful with. Okay, let's see. I didn't see them on this again. Okay, hopefully you kind of make out what I'm doing there. So I've got the capstan out, and I see some washers down in there. So we're going to be careful with that. And then let's have a look at there's a washer there. Oh, it's funny they used a metal one. So it looks like the okay, so this thing, one screw there, and that can't be just one, right? I see a second screw, but I don't see it out here. Oh yeah, I see it. Hold on, let me see if I can. So this one is actually more complicated to get this out than the RT-1165. I'm trying to think if I can somehow. Oh, they're going to make me take this whole thing apart. Because on the 1165, these screws that hold this, the capstan in and the take-up pulley are coming from the backside. You just take them off. There's one screw here, and there's one behind this plastic thing. Lovely. And I don't think... Okay. This is good. We'll learn. You know, we'll figure it out. What's going on here. You know, it's funny. I just thought they would have gotten more serviceable, or maybe we're entering the time of throwaway like it is now. But anyway, I'm going to continue trying to dig out this screw and remove the capstan thing so we can get the take-up pulley out. So I'll be back. So eventually we get the rubber take-up pulley out without having to remove the capstan roller tube thing. I'm not sure what it's called, I'm sorry. Because it was just too difficult to remove, and there's really no reason other than to clean it, but I could clean it in place. So we end up, or I end up doing that. However, right now I'm waiting for parts, so there will be more on this deck when I get them, should be soon, and I can start to put it back together and hopefully fix it. I'm still not sure what's wrong with it, so we'll take a good look when the parts come in.